In this video, I show you how to reactivate a Facebook page. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Facebook app. Tap on this three lines icon. Next, tap the gear icon. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility section. In this section, tap Pages. Here it says reactivate your pages. Tap View to see the deactivated pages. I have deactivated this page. Now tap Reactivate. And your page will be reactivated. Now I am in the page. This is how you can reactivate a Facebook page. I hope the video helped you. Please give it a like, it helps me. Thank you.